Shutdown 2019 Principles of Accounts. Past question number 18. It says a proprietor started business with 13,000 naira assets and liabilities at the end of the year. Fixed assets is 8,800 naira. Stock is 2,600 naira. Debtors is 1,000 naira. Cash is 3,000 naira, and creditors is 1,000 naira. So to determine the profits for the year. Now, to determine our profits is equals to new capital minus opening capital. So our new capital is gotten by assets minus liabilities. So now we want to record all our assets here now. We want to record all our assets now on this side. So for our assets, we have our assets, fixed assets. We have it as 8,800 naira. We have stock. Our stock is 2,600 naira. We have debtors. Our debtors is 1,000 naira. We have cash. Our cash is 3,000 naira. You add this together, we're going to be having 15,400. This is total assets. Then we have our liabilities. Which is creditors. Our creditors here is 1,000. So we'll less it to give us 14,400. This 14,400 is called our new capital. So therefore, profit is equals to 14,400 naira, which is our new capital, minus our opening capital of 13,000 naira. Will give us 1,400 naira. Option D. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.